Hello, good evening, students. So, yesterday we have completed this table. There the number of orbitals in a given subshell, how it is coming, how we have to find out the orbitals. The formula was find that 2l plus 1. In this one L side, you have to put the values of L like 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, fine. Let's see one example. 2 into 0 plus 1. Now 0 is coming from 0 is for S. Okay, these are L1. So 2 zeros are 0 plus 1. It means one orbital is present in S. Okay, in S one orbital is present. Next is 2 into 1 plus 1. On the L1 side we are putting a 1 here. 2 ones are 2 plus 1. It form a 3 orbitals. 2 into 2 plus 1, it form a 5 orbitals. 2 into 3 plus 1, it form a 7 orbitals. Then yesterday I have tell about this table also. If n is 1, 2, 3, 4, then what is the L? The L is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Means this is called as S. This is SP, SPD, SPDF. When we have to find out the magnetic, how it is? 0 means we are taking the orbitals. Here p is present, it means 3 will come. 3 orbitals are coming. 3 orbitals, the middle one is 0. This one is plus 1. Here side is minus 1. Same pattern we are using here in D. 5 orbitals are there. The middle one is 0. Minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, plus 2, like this. Now see in the F, 7 orbitals are present here. We can say because 4 here, 4n principal is there, so we are telling here 4f, 7 orbitals are present. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 0 1 2 3, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, this is the yesterday's one. Now today what I have given in the class, let's see here. We have completed the questions. How many subshells and orbitals are present in n is equals to 3? Now beta, a very easiest one, that the number of subshell which we need, that is a n square. Here they are asking 3, it means 3 square. 3 square means 3 3 is a 9. Directly it will also come. But as we are doing with the table, 3 n is a 3. What is L here? 0, 0 1, 0 1 2. If 0, what is m? 0. For p, 3 orbitals are present, minus 1 plus 1 0. Same as in this one, we are forming here orbitals. And as we count these orbitals, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It means 9 orbitals are present. Direct also you have to find out. After this, second one, find number of orbitals in n is equals to 2. Now in direct way, n square is equals to 2 square. 2 square means 4 orbitals. As with the table, we are using 2 here. L means 0 and 1. 0 will come here, 1 will come here. Then 0, magnetic 0 first. 0 is coming means S is there. And for P, we are making a 3 orbitals. 0, 1, minus 1. It means 2s here, 2p here. Okay, understood? So we have completed this. After this, next I have started the Pauli's exclusion principle. So in the Pauli exclusion principle, what is that? No two electrons in the same atom can have same set of 4 quantum numbers. They are saying if one orbital is there, one is a clockwise and other electron is a anti-clockwise. So what they are saying no two electrons means not the same electrons will having the quantum number same. Okay, I have taken this orbital. One orbital I have taken, it means s orbital is this one. If it a s orbital is this, it means it is a 0. L becomes 0. N is equals to 1. M is also become 0 because in the middle one portion it is 0. And for the spin we are writing as plus half and minus half. This was told by the who has told Pauli's. Fine. Now some more questions of quantum also is there. 2 shell, 2 LMS, same as before we have completed. 2 means directly also 2 square you can put. Okay, 2 into 2 square you can put. So 2 into 2 square, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 electrons. 2 here by the table, 0, 1, 0 is for S and 1 is for P. For S, M is become 0, and for P 3 orbitals are present, and here 0 plus 1 minus 1. Orbitals we have fulfilled 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are here, but we have to find out the electrons here, not the orbitals. So in the 4, how many electrons are coming? 8 electrons are present here. Okay. So this thing also write down in your copy, the formulas of the number of subshells, which I have already tell to you. Now next question, these questions please write down. Already I have explained this one side. Like 4 shell is there. 4 shell means 2n square is the formula, direct formula. 2 into 4 square, 4 4 is 16 into 2, that is a 32. If we are using NLM, N means 4 is given here, 4 will come. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. For M it becomes 0. For here 1 means P is there. 3 orbitals will come, 0, 1, minus 1. 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. And we are putting here orbitals. So total orbitals now, number of electrons, first of all orbitals count. Orbitals here is 7, 7, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 electrons. 16 orbitals are present and all are fulfilled. So 16 into 2, that is said to be a 32. Okay, and this also you can write down in your copy. So we have completed this thing today. After we have completed this thing, then I have started shapes of orbitals. In the shapes of orbitals, I have started the 1s orbitals. The 1s orbital is said to be the cloudic forming structure is there. The density of the charged cloud is greatest at the nucleus. Means on the nucleus one side, the density of the charge it become more, and decrease with the distance. When the distance is become decrease, it will also be decrease. The density at a particular distance is uniform in all direction. Density at a particular distance, if we are taken a particular distance, any direction, in this direction, this direction, this, any direction take. In any direction if we have taken, therefore 1s orbital is spherically symmetrical. Same we are talking about the 2s, it form a nodal plane. Okay, nodal plane it form a. So till here 2s I have completed in the class also. Rest lecture I will started from the P1 diagram, P1 shape. So students, write these things in your copy and complete your work. Okay, thank you students and have a nice day. And write all these things in your copy. This is your homework.